Good morning, children. Hope you all are doing well at home. Enjoying? Okay. Once again, I welcome back to computer class. Today, we will learn about border and shading in the table. Already, we have completed changing the column width and height. Today, what we will learn? Border and shading. How to do border and shading in a table. There are two ways in which you can change the border and shading of a table. The first way is using the border and shading button. Using the border and shading button in table properties dialog box. And the next method is using design tab. Second method is what? Using design tab. So, we will learn today the first method by using border and shading buttons in table properties dialog box. So, if you want to apply border and shading in a table, what is the steps? What are the things you have to do? The first is you have to select the table. For example, this is a table, okay, the intersection of row and column. The first step, what you are doing, you have to select the table. You know how to select a table? Once you select the table, you will see already the table tools box opens up. So first you select the table, then you have to click on cell size. The cell size launcher, okay. That is where? That is in the layout tab. That is on the layout tab. Once you click on here, the table property dialog box opens up. The table properties dialog box opens up. Once it opens up, there you will see the border of a table. Which border you want, how the border you want, you have to choose and you click on OK. Click on OK. So, wherever suppose I want to give this table a border. So, I have selected this table and I want to give this table a border. So, selected this table. Then I went to cell size launcher where in the layout tab, once I clicked on, the table property dialog box opens up. There I have choose which border I want to give. Then I clicked on OK. So the table border has been changed. And from there, if you go to page border, okay, from there, once if you click on that page border, this page border is also there in your border and shading group. So once you click here, you will get option, okay. Here there will be border, here the page border will be there, shading will be there. So once you click on page border, there you will see lot of design of the border. Suppose I want this border in a dotted line. So that a lot of border will be displayed. Either some hyphen type border or some dot border. Okay, one star type border. Which type of border you want in the page border, you select that. So this one will come, this border will come in which way? This table border will come like this. Suppose we have selected the hyphen. So according to which style you want, the border will be changed. Dot, star or hyphen in the page border. There you will get what? Style. There you will get the style. And there you will get one option color. So you can choose the color. I want this one. Which color? Red, pink, yellow. What color? You choose the color. Even there it will be width. The width means the inch. Okay. Suppose I want this border thickness. I want this border to be little more bold and thick. So from that the width you can change according to your wish. In the page border, you can give a design border. You can change the width of the border, thickness of the border. So the thickness of the border, how you want, you can choose in the page border. And shading, if you want to give to the table what type of shade you want, what type of shading you want, you can choose and you can give a shading to the table. Okay. This is how you can change the border shading. You can add border and you can give shading. You can give your own style. Okay. The color, what is the effect, everything you can give in the table properties dialog box. Once the table property dialog box opens up, then you go to the border, you select to border and shading. Once you click on border and shading, there you will get border, what all border you want, you select that. If you go to the page border, there you will get which type of style border you want, the color you want, the width, the thickness of the border you want, you can give. And if you click on the shading, you can give the shading to the border. So one can choose the setting, style, color and width of the border. And more one thing, when you select all this option, in the down you will get a preview. Okay, you can able to preview the border, how it's look. After that, once you do the preview, you check. And after that, you click on OK. Then, whatever style you have chosen, it will display to you. Hope children, you have understood how to do the changing the border and shading. Even if you do right click on the table also, you will get the option table properties dialog box. Once you click to that, there you click on border, the border button. Once you click to that, you will get all the options according to the wish you can apply to the table. Hope you understood. Thank you children for listening to my online class. All of you take care, be safe.